So guys, in the cinema room, just so you guys can get a visual of what I've got to do today. This is the cinema room. So, get a visual of, the skill, things I've got to do, mate. This is all concrete, it's all got to be stuck down, mate. So I'm probably going to do this bit first because it's quite open. But yeah, it's going to look really nice when it's all done. This is how it's looking at the moment. So, just doing this last little bit. I have to come back tomorrow to finish the top bit. But yeah, these are the steps. It can come out a lot better. It's not really well lit in here, so apologies for the... yeah, it's all done. So I'm going to come back tomorrow and do that top bit first thing in the morning. So guys, when you're a carpet fitting legend, mate, you fit a cinema room. Still got that to do, but it's almost 8 o'clock, so might have to come back tomorrow and just finish that bit. But other than that, mate, perfect. Cheers, mate.